Hey, it's Matthew, and these are all the Hot Wheel Lamborghini Sesto Elementos. The Lamborghini Sesto Elemento was made in 2011 and is a super lightweight car because of its carbon fiber. It was one of the first cars ever to be produced to be all carbon fiber. There were only 20 made, and Sesto Elemento means a sixth element because carbon is a sixth element on the periodic table. It has 570 horsepower, a V10 engine, and can also go from 0 to 60 in 2.4 seconds with a top speed of 186 miles per hour. This car is track only and sold for about $3 million when it came out. Now it's probably worth $4 million. It was also in the iconic movie Need for Speed and was driven by Dino. The Hot Wheels Sesto Elemento was designed by Li Wei Chang and was sculpted by Marjan Chung. So this is the first Lamborghini Sesto Elemento ever made. You can see it's a little messed up because I've had this car for so long. But you can see this is white, and right here it's green, the green interior too. The first one was in 2014 from the HW City Speed Team Mix. I was able to ask Li Wei and Manson some questions about the Hot Wheel and design. Li Wei said that his favorite thing about the Sesto is the angles of the car. He also likes the interior popping out of the trunk. So the next Lambo is a Need for Speed version. So of course this is gray, but usually the Sesto Elemento, the first produced one, was in black, and then the red interior. And that would be great for a premium model too. But since this is a Need for Speed one, they had it in gray, and this one was in the big race versus the Koenigseggs, the Bugattis, and the other hypercars. You can see the red and then the red interior. But the actual color was a full black. This is a gray. So next up is this Sublime Lambo. So you can see there's not really any tampos on it. And you can see the Lambo logo, the black right here, a black interior. And this is just a simple design on the car. In my opinion, the green doesn't really go well on this car. But still, since it's a Lambo, it still looks really nice. This one was from the HW Workshop Nightburners mix. Manson said it was easy to do the Sesto because Hot Wheels were given the files from Lamborghini, so it only took about a day to modify them to fit the Hot Wheels dimensions. So next, we have this Lambo, which is an aqua color. And you can see the black stripe right here, and the black stripe on the top. In my opinion, out of all of these, I think this color is really nice on this Lambo. The black stripes and all that. I think it fits perfectly with this car. The fourth one was from the HW Exotics mix in 2016. So the next Lambo is black, and you can see the yellow right here, yellow interior, and the yellow base. These rims that they add on this Lambo too are a great addition. And I think they go a lot better than some of these rims like this. This one was from the 2017 Lamborghini set. So next up, we have this frost gold Lambo. You can see the black stripe on the top, then the red outline, and some more red stripes. And they call it a frost gold, but we can also consider it like a matte gold. The sixth one was from the 2018 Exotics 5-pack. So this Lambo is dark red. You can see the stripe on top. Goes from the wing, and then to the top, and then to the hood. And this color is really nice on this car. And I like how they added the red lines too. The seventh one was also from a 5-pack, but it was in 2019. I also asked Leeway if we will ever see a premium version. He said that the tool would just need to be modified to take a metal chassis, but as far as he knows, it's currently not planned. So the last two Lamborghini Sesto Elementos that were made were the regular and the super. So if you want to see me talk about the difference between these two, you can go to my case opening of the J case. But for now, I'll just show the cars. So you can see this is light blue, and the orange interior, and the orange cyclone wheels. And the colors don't really go that well, but still the cyclone wheels are really cool with the orange and the orange interior. And then for the super, you can see it has the 25TH right here. And then of course it's Spectra Flame. And then this is what I really like, how it has the star rims. And basically it's the same thing, just the Spectra Flame and the star rims. And the last two were from the Exotics mix with the regular and the super. I want to give a huge thank you to both Leeway and Manson for answering my questions about the Sesto Elemento. My favorite Sesto Elemento that they've made so far is probably the Super, because it's the closest to a premium model of this Sesto Elemento that they've made. I know there's not any future plans of Sesto Elemento premium versions, but Dream Team, if you're watching this, if you ever make a premium version, you should do it in this black color with red interior. Maybe make it matte and then some carbon fiber to make it just look like the original version. So the winner of these two cars from my J-Case opening is Zachary Kohler. I really like your Senna on your profile picture. So Zach, you have 1 week to either DM me on Instagram or send me an email to claim your prize. Congratulations again, and I hope you enjoy these cars. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite Lamborghini Sesto Elemento so far is.